Welcome to our little journeys. Today, we will visit the upper Multnomah Falls Viewpoint, a scenic viewpoint located in the Columbia River Gorge in Oregon, United States. The Pacific Northwest is known for its stunning natural landscapes and its rainy weather. One of the most breathtaking sights in the region is the Multnomah Falls. The waterfall is a majestic sight, drawing thousands of visitors every year. But few people know that there's another attraction on top of Multnomah Falls. It offers a stunning view of the Columbia River Gorge and the surrounding mountains. To reach the viewpoint, we start from the Multnomah Lodge. The trail going up is steep in places with a total of literally breathtaking 11 switchbacks. This viewpoint is a popular spot for photography, picnics, and sightseeing. The trail offers a scenic hiking experience with views of lush forests, moss-covered trees, and streams. You can also explore the nearby hiking trails, including the Dutchman and Weisendanger Falls. Dutchman Falls is a small but beautiful waterfall dropping about 15 feet. Weisendanger Falls is stunning and larger, that drops about 50 feet. The trail is rated as moderate and is about 3 miles round trip, making it a great option for hikers of various skill levels. We hope that you enjoyed this little journey. Please like and subscribe to our channel.